When using terms like Industry 4.0 to describe the time or age we currently operate in, the focus usually leans toward the interactive nature of advanced communication technologies that help people and machines operate more quickly and efficiently. However, extremely valuable but often underappreciated elements of the information age are materials. The advent of new polymers for 3D printing and lightweight metals for aerospace have played crucial roles in developing new products and processes for the industrial sector and beyond. Adding to these breakthroughs is a recent screen from Samsung that they're describing simply as unbreakable. The company recently unveiled test results wherein their screen passed standards set by the Department of Defense. The flexible OLED screen features a plastic substrate window bonded to it for added durability. How durable? Well, it passed UL-administered drop tests from 4 feet 26 times in a row without damage. It also passed a 6-foot drop test and was able to operate without issue in temperatures ranging from -25 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It also survived some serious hammer pounding, although that looks suspiciously like a rubber mallet to me. While the leading application is obviously a smartphone, additional uses are also on the table. Consider the benefits of a Humvee with this type of windshield, panels on industrial equipment, or even protective glasses that can be worn by individuals working in a variety of harsh conditions. Samsung has yet to unveil production plans or costs related to the panel. It's speculated that the new screen could debut with the Galaxy S10 launch next March. I'm Jeff Ranke, and this is IEN Now.